In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. If you want to accept customer payments directly inside QuickBooks Online, the process is very straightforward once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to begin, how to choose the correct payment screen, and how to enable payments if that option is not active yet. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the plus icon, which is the main shortcut menu used to create new transactions quickly. Go ahead and click that plus icon. After the menu opens, look for the option to create either a sales receipt or a receive payment transaction. Which one you choose depends on the kind of transaction you're entering, but both can lead you to the payment processing option. If you're collecting payment and recording it right away, these are the areas you'll use. Once you're inside that screen, look for the option labeled Charge New Payment. When you select that, QuickBooks Online gives you the ability to process a customer payment directly. At this point, you can choose to run a credit card payment, or in some cases, an ACH bank transfer, if that payment method is available in your account. This is helpful because it lets you handle payment collection without leaving QuickBooks, and it also helps keep your records organized in one place. Just make sure the customer and transaction details are accurate before moving forward, so the payment is attached to the correct sale or account. If you do not yet have payments turned on in QuickBooks Online, you may see an option that says Activate Payments. If that appears, click Activate Payments and continue through the setup process. QuickBooks will guide you through the required steps to enable payment processing on your account. During setup, take your time and review each screen carefully so everything is configured correctly. Once activation is complete, you'll be able to return to the same payment area and begin accepting card payments or ACH transfers directly through QuickBooks Online. And that's really all there is to it. The key steps are opening the plus menu, choosing sales receipt or receive payment, selecting Charge New Payment, and activating payments if needed. After that, you're ready to start processing customer payments inside QuickBooks Online.